Selling a home isn't a moment, it's a process. And in 2026, understanding the timeline ahead of time can save you stress, money, and unnecessary surprises. Most seller stress doesn't come from selling itself, it comes from surprises, unexpected repairs, rushed decisions, timing conflicts, and feeling like things are happening to you instead of with you. That's why understanding the full selling timeline before you ever list is one of the most important things you can do as a Temescal Valley homeowner. So let's walk through the process from start to finish. Phase 1 is early planning, ideally 6 to 12 months before listing. This phase is often overlooked, but it's where the best decisions are made. Early planning allows you to understand your equity, explore timing options, and decide whether selling now, later, or not at all makes the most sense. It's also where conversations happen around downsizing, upsizing, relocating, or coordinating a purchase with a sale. Sellers who plan early have options, and sellers who wait feel rushed. Phase 2 is preparation, typically 30 to 60 days before listing. Preparation is not about perfection, it's about positioning. This is where decluttering happens, small repairs are addressed, and the home is prepared to show well. The goal is to help buyers focus on the home itself, not on distractions. And this is also where photography, marketing strategy, and pricing decisions are finalized. Preparation directly impacts how buyers perceive value and how quickly momentum builds. Phase 3 is the launch and market period. The first 2 weeks on the market are critical. This is when serious buyers are watching closely. Online exposure is highest, agent interest peaks, and buyer urgency is strongest. Homes that launch well, priced correctly, and presented properly often see stronger offers and smoother negotiations. Homes that miss this window often struggle to regain momentum later. Phase 4 is escrow. Once an offer is accepted, inspections, appraisals, and negotiations begin. This phase feels stressful when expectations aren't set ahead of time. But when sellers understand what's normal and what's negotiable, escrow becomes far more manageable. Issues will come up. That's normal. What matters is preparation and perspective. Phase 5 is closing and transition. This includes final walkthroughs, signing, and coordinating your next move. Sellers who planned early experience this phase with far less pressure because the next step is already mapped out. The common thread across every successful sale is planning. When sellers understand the timeline, they regain control, and control reduces stress. If you want a customized selling timeline based on your neighborhood, equity, and future plans, click the link below to schedule a complimentary 15-minute discovery call.